Good morning. Welcome to maths class. We are in second chapter, addition of two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers start from 10 to 99. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. 99 is the greatest two-digit number. Addition, we putting together given numbers. In plus C symbol for addition. The result of addition is called total or SUM, sum. Okay. In this chapter already you learned single digit numbers 2 lines, single digit numbers 3 lines without regrouping. Okay. 2 digit numbers 2 lines, 2 digit numbers 3 lines addition. This is also without regrouping. Okay. Next one with regrouping. Single digit numbers 2 lines, 2 digit numbers 2 lines, 2 digit numbers 3 lines. Before going to revision, we are going to once again we recall addition facts. Number plus 0. When we add 0 to a number, the answer goes to very good number itself. That means same number. The total does not change when we add 0 to a number or number to a 0. Next one, when we add 1 to a number or number plus 1, the next number of the given number. Next number means after number of the given number. Next one, we add any numbers, that means 2 numbers or 3 numbers in any order, we get the same total. Once we are going to in the previous classes, what are the additions? We practice. Once I am going to show that. Next one, today's class, verify the addition. Verify the addition. First, we are going to recall all. Number plus 0, same number. Number plus 1, next number. We add any numbers, I mean 2 or 3 numbers in any order, we get the same total. Very good. See, first I am going to show examples of all. 5 plus 3. Single digit 2 lines. Yes or no? Next. Single digit 3 lines. 2 digit 2 lines. 2 digit 3 lines. See, 5 plus 3, same process. Take 5 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3, 8. Plus C symbol for addition. Here we are going to put together upper number and lower number. Answer is 8. Come to here. 4 plus 3 plus 2. When we are going to do 3 lines addition, be careful. First adding these 2 numbers, then go to third number. First adding these 2 numbers. 4, take 4 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, take 2 fingers, 7 after 8, 9. Okay, the total goes to 9. First add these 2 numbers, keep in the mind. Then continuation of addition, take 2 fingers, 7 after 8, 9. 9 right in the answer place. This is total. Now come to this. 2 digit 2 lines. First number is 36. Second number is 63. That means these are ones, these are tens. Adding ones first. Take 6 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 right in the ones place. Now adding tens. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Total is 99. Come to here. These are ones, these are tens. 2 digit 3 lines. 24 plus 40 plus 35. Adding ones first. 4 plus 5. No need to add 0. Take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Now adding tens. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 99. These are without regrouping. That means no carry. Another number. See. 13 plus 0. Yes, very good. 0 plus 75. Very good. 44 plus 0. 44. Very good. That means number plus 0 or 0 plus number, we get the same number. Another one. 1 plus 14 or 26 plus 1. Come on, here given number is 14. When we are going to add 1 to the number, we get the next number. That means what comes after 14? Very good, 15. Now come to here, 26 plus 1. Plus 1 means the next number of the given number. Here given number is 26. 26 after 27. Very good. Another one. 78 plus 1. Yes, what is the total? Very good. 79. These are the addition facts. Another one. 3 plus 5 equal to how much? And 5 plus 3 equal to how much? See. We add 3 to 5 or add 5 to 3. We get the same answer. Observe. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Here. Take 5 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See. 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3. We get the same total. This is commutative property in addition. We add the given numbers in any order, we get the same total. This property is called commutative property in addition. Commutative property in addition. Next one. Addition with grouping. That means without grouping means simple additions. Yes. Now, with regrouping. Examples. 9 plus 6. Okay. 7 plus 3 plus 4. 48 plus 37. 56 plus 18 plus 20. See, 9 plus 6, same process. Take 9 fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here we get 2-digit number. These are ones. We get 2-digit number means 5 right in the ones place. 1 goes to tens place. Now come to here. All are single digit numbers. We add 1-digit numbers, we get the total 2-digit numbers. Now come to here, start from upper number, take 7 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the mind, 10 plus 4, very good, 14. Again we get 2-digit numbers, ones, tens. 1 right in the tens place. Now come to 2-digit number, 2 lines. Ones place, tens place. First adding ones, same process. Take 8 fingers, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is a 2-digit number. Here we get 15. But in the ones place we should write single digit numbers only. But here we got 15. 15 right side. 1, 10, 5 ones. 5 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. Carry forward to tens place. 1 carry forward to tens place. That means write this one above 4. Write this one above 4. Write 1 here. Put a small circle. That is going to carry number. Here 1 plus 4 plus 3. 3 numbers are there. 1 plus 4 or 4 plus 1, 5. Very good. 5 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. What is the total? 85. Now come to this. 2 digit numbers, 3 lines. Start from ones place. First adding ones. Take 6 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 digit number. Right side. 1, 10, 4 ones. Ones number right in the ones place. Tens number carry forward to tens place. Tens number carry forward to tens place. Put a small circle. Now we having 1, 5, 1, 2, 4 numbers. 1 plus 5, 5 plus 1 and 2. Okay? 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. Start from here. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. 9 right in the tens place. What is the total? 94. Number plus 1. Next number. Here we are going to using that fact. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. Total is 94. Are you understood? Okay. Another examples. I show you 2 examples. Then go to next concept. Plus 52, 34 plus 28 plus 13. See, the numbers are given horizontally. Now, if the numbers are given like this, we are going to arrange the addition. Here given numbers are 2 digit numbers. That means we put the 2 places, tens place, ones place. Take first this number 45. 45, 4 tens, 5 ones. Put the symbol plus. Second number is 52. 5 tens, 2 ones. We are going to arrange the numbers like this. 45 is the first number. 52 is the second number. First, same process. 5 plus 2. Take 5 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. Now adding tens. Take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 97 is the total. The numbers are given like this. Addition is given like this. We have to put the places and write the first number in column wise. Second number also column wise. Now come to this. 34 plus 28 plus 13. 3 lines, 2 digit addition. All are going to 2 digit numbers. Put the columns. Tens place, ones place. What is the first number? 34. 3 tens, 4 ones. What is the second number? 28. 2 tens, 8 ones. Put the symbol plus here. Third number 13. 1 ten, 3 ones. Put the symbol plus. Now add. Adding ones. Take 4 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 12 after 13, 14, 15. 15 is a 2 digit number. Right side. 5 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Now adding 1 plus 3, 4. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Don't forget carried number to add. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 6 in the mind. 1 finger 6 after 7. Total is 75. Are you understood? Arrange the addition correctly. Put the columns. First number, second number, third number. Ones place number, ones place. Tens place number, tens place. Now verifying addition. Verifying addition. That means we are going to check, verifying addition. We are going to check our adding the numbers in reverse order. We can do, or verify addition means adding the numbers in reverse order. Okay? Verify means simple, we check our answer. Our answer is correct or wrong. Our answer is correct or wrong. What is the answer in addition? Total. We get the total addition of given number. Okay? Now let us see examples. 37 plus 43. Ones place, tens place. First adding ones. Take 7 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is a two-digit number. Right side. 0 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the total? 80. Now we are going to check our addition. The 80 is correct or wrong. Verifying addition means add the given numbers in reverse order. Reverse order means second number right in the first place, first number right in the second place. Put the columns. Tens place, ones place. What is the second number? 43. What is the first number? 37. This is going to reverse order. Put the symbol. Come on. Take 3 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. Right side. 0 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 80. We get the same total. This is called verify the addition. Verifying addition means we are going to check our answer ourselves. Our answer ourselves. Here get 80. Here also 80. We write the numbers in reverse order. Okay? Another example. Very easy in an addition, but you have to careful while adding two-digit numbers, 3 lines. Tens place, ones place. Two-digit means 2 places. 15 plus 24 plus 33. See, first find the total. First adding ones. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12. We get 12 ones. Right side. 2 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. Now 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 1, 2. Very good. 2 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 2 after 3, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. What is the total? 72. Again. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 2 after 3, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 right in the tens place. Now what is the total? 72. Now we are going to check our total. Verifying addition means write the numbers in reverse order. That means down to up. Right. Again same numbers in reverse order. That means 33. Second number 24. First number 15. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. Very good. Now adding ones. Verifying addition means given addends right in the reverse order. Okay? Down to up. Down number first. Second number first number. Now start from here. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ones. Right side. 2 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. 4. Very good. 4 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 6 after 7. 7 right in the tens place. What is the total? 72. Here also 72. Here also 72. That means our answer is correct. This is called verifying addition. Verifying addition, we write the given numbers in reverse order and again find the total. If we get same total, our addition is correct. Understood the concept? Very good. Next one. One more example. 35 plus 25 plus 15. See, adding ones first. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 right side. 5 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 6 in the mind. 6 plus 1, 7. We get 75 is the total. Now verifying our addition means write the numbers in reverse order. Put the places. Tens place, ones place. Third number 15. Second number 25. First number 35. Arrange the numbers like this and put the symbol plus. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Very good. 5 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 3, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 75. We got same total. That means our process is correct. Okay, Nana, I think you all are understood the concept of verifying addition means we are going to check our answer. Practice additions in your rough notes and learn tables 2 to 8 table. Today read 8 table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80.